I'm Dean Banowitz and welcome to my workshop where all the magic happens. Now, before I became the Hollywood hair guy, I was growing up on a farm in Iowa, the 13th of 15 kids. Now, coming from such a big family probably was the most impactful thing in my entire life and has really shaped who I am. As a young man, I joined the US Army and became Soldier of the Year in 1987, as well as a decorated veteran. In 1990, I enrolled in beauty school, and I have to tell you, I have never looked back. In the year 2000, I moved to Los Angeles to work on the television show Extra, and I was super fortunate to work with a ton of really awesome celebrities, as well as some of TV's most iconic competition reality shows, such as American Idol, So You Think You Can Dance, World of Dance, and I've had the pleasure of working on the teams for Dancing with the Stars, Legendary, and The Voice. Now, when I'm not on set, you can find me touring the country, speaking to students at all the Paul Mitchell schools throughout the US. I also connect with students and graduates, teaching them the specialty skills that I've learned in Hollywood through all of my online courses and workshops. Working in Hollywood, mentoring students, and touring the country, I have to tell you, I am so grateful for all of it. Thank you so much.